Welcome to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're looking at what might just be the best portable air conditioner remote control on the market. The Universal Air Conditioner Remote Control from Acfun. If you've got a split AC from brands like Mitsubishi, Toshiba, LG, Samsung, Daewoo, Fujitsu, or many others, this might just be the most convenient solution you've been waiting for. Let's jump right in. This remote is marketed as a 1000-in-1 universal controller. That means it's compatible with over 1,000 models of air conditioners from popular global brands. Whether your old remote is missing, broken, or you just want a backup handy at home, this device is designed to seamlessly fill the gap. The first thing you'll notice is its clean, minimalist design. It's white in color, lightweight, and extremely portable. The layout is simple, with a clear LCD screen and easy-to-read buttons, making it very user-friendly. You won't need to fumble around looking for small text or weird button layouts. It's built with comfort and ease of use in mind. Inside the packaging, you get the remote and a manual in English with brand codes listed. You'll need 2 AAA batteries to get started, which are not included. Setting it up is straightforward. It has a digital automatic code searching function, so you don't need to manually enter long codes unless you prefer to. Just follow the guide, and within a few minutes, you'll be good to go. Now, let's talk about performance. It has an impressive working range, roughly 8 to 10 meters, so you can operate it comfortably from across the room. Whether you're lounging on your couch or working at your desk, this remote will respond reliably, provided it's compatible with your AC model. Speaking of compatibility, that's where the biggest strength of this remote lies. It supports most split-system air conditioners from global manufacturers, making it a great universal backup. However, it's worth noting that it is not compatible with window or portable AC units. Specifically, it does not work with brands like Frigidaire, certain Mitsubishi models like the Sharp AFQ60RX, or some Sanyo units. So before you buy, do check the product listing and brand list carefully to ensure it supports your model. Another neat feature is how this remote is designed with backup in mind. If you have multiple air conditioners from different brands in your home or office, you can buy a few of these and set them up individually. That way, you always have a reliable spare within reach. As for build quality, it's durable enough for daily use, but keep in mind it's a budget-friendly accessory, so it's mostly plastic. Still, it feels solid and well built for its purpose. To wrap things up, for its price and features, the Acfun Universal Air Conditioner Remote Control is an excellent buy for anyone looking for a backup or replacement remote. It's versatile, easy to program, lightweight, and covers an extensive range of brands. As long as you're using a split AC and not a window or portable unit, chances are it will work for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dives into everyday gadgets, and let us know in the comments which universal remote you're using. Stay cool, and we'll see you in the next one.